Time to time, my mother-in-law sent me requests to build something for her or for the grandkids or just to fix something. Her last request was for me to build a mug holder that could hold 12 mugs, so she would have a mug per month to display in the shelf. So earlier this year, I found some time to build this for her. She sent me a few images for the inspiration, but this time I decided to build whatever I want because I didn't want to buy materials for the project, and I decided to use scrappy wood for this. I used the biggest mug that I have in my house to help with the size. So I wanted to have 4 shelves that can fit 3 mugs each, so she can fit comfortably 12 mugs total. In the end, she uncomfortably fitted 16. I'm adding a backer as well because I think we look better to have the mugs facing a cute walnut backer than the wall, and I'm using 3/4 inch backer walnut piece for this because I didn't have anything thinner to use. I marked where the shelves would go and made the holes. Super simple. I think I only had 2 days to build this because I remember there was 2 days before Mother's Day and I wanted to give her this on the Mother's Day. So everything needed to be simple and fast here. The way I'm putting this together is just screw and glue, but you can do dados if you want, if you don't like the way, the dowels look in it and like showing. It's up to you. This is a great gift or a scrappy wood project to create. You can build this in a weekend. You can change the size forever you want. You don't have to put mugs on it. You can put decorations, you can put whatever you want, and you can customize like endless possibility here. I saw a few versions on Pinterest that was super cute, and I'll put on the screen my favorite ones. The installation is just glue and screw, like I said, and then once it's dry, I will add some walnut plugs to cover everything. I like the look of the dowels or like the plugs hiding the screw because I like the organic feel, but not everybody likes, so it's up to you. I added the wood plugs and flush cut everything. I am aware that I need a flush handsaw, but I have been looking for it in my local stores here and I can't find any saw for hardwood. I was using like one. I bought one, but I guess was for softwood because when I used to cut white oak, all the teeth fell off. Now, I wanted to add something fun to this piece, and because I am into curves, I wanted to add some curves. After this, I realized this was too minimalistic, and my mother-in-law is everything but minimalistic. So I decided to add trims on the sides and to add more bulky because she likes bulky stuff, she likes more details and everything. So it's hard for me to add details in stuff because I just like things as simple as possible. But anyway, then after I add the trim, which by the way, forgot to mention that I was sanding all the pieces on the inside and like the trims, the side portions, everything that was hard to reach later, I was press sanding before I even glue and attach the pieces. But then after I put all the trim and everything, I realized that the top was off, was to me. So I decided to cut leftover walnut that I had here and created a top, like an extra top. So after It's almost done. I sand the outside. Then it was time to add the finish. I'm using the general finish for this. I always use it in my walnut because it's my favorite finish. And I will let you enjoy the review. YouTube thinks you'd also enjoy watch this video right here. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know what you think about this project. Please like and share this video with a friend. I see you in the next video. Bye.